Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add scenes in OBS Studio in 2026. Scenes are one of the most important parts of OBS Studio because they allow you to create different layouts for your stream or recording. For example, you can have one scene for your main camera, another for gameplay, and another for a starting or ending screen. First, open OBS Studio on your computer. At the bottom of the OBS window, you'll find the Scenes panel. OBS usually includes a default scene when you first open the software. To create a new scene, click the plus button in the Scenes panel. A small window will appear asking you to name the scene. Choose a clear name that describes what the scene is for. For example, you could name it Main Camera, Gameplay, or Starting Soon. After entering the name, click OK. Your new scene will now appear in the Scenes panel. Next, you need to add sources to the scene. Sources are the individual elements that viewers will see, such as your webcam, game, screen, images, text, or audio devices. Click the plus button in the Sources panel and select the type of source you want to add. For example, choose Display Capture if you want to show your entire screen. You can create another scene for gameplay and add Game Capture as the main source. You can also add your webcam to the same scene if you want your face to appear while playing. To switch between scenes, simply click the scene you want to use. OBS will immediately change the active layout according to your scene settings. You can also rename a scene if you want to make your setup easier to understand. Right-click the scene and choose the appropriate rename option.